In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could survive 99 nights in the forest here on Roblox. If you do play this game the right way, you can make it all the way to day 100 and rescue all of the children. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. I went ahead and broke this down into 3 phases. Make sure that you follow these phases and you'll be able to get this through easy. But let's go ahead and start with phase number 1, which is essentially days 1 through 5, and it's all about the foundation, specifically speed and setup. The first thing you're going to want to do is focus on upgrading your fire. Small trees are the best because they do give you 3 logs each. Essentially, just rush your campfire to level 4 as quickly as possible because this will expand the safe zone and reveal a lot more of the map. You're also going to want to focus on the bunny foot meta, which essentially means you hunt bunnies on day 1, you get a bunny foot, trade it to the pelt trader on day 2, and this will unlock the good sack for you, which will increase your inventory space. Obviously, extra inventory space is essential for carrying fuel later on. Pretty self-explanatory. And in terms of the tools that you're going to want to make, these ones are non-negotiable. You need to make a map because it's going to show you the cabin locations, and you need a sundial because it's going to tell you exactly when to sprint back to your base before the deer spawns in. In terms of base defense, what I would recommend doing is not burning all of your saplings. Instead, place them tightly around your base because saplings act as free indestructible walls that cultists struggle to get through. That is it for phase number 1. Moving on to phase number 2, which is days 6 through 20, and this is where we're going to start focusing on automating your survival. Go ahead and rescue the first child, which is the dino kid. Make sure you get the dino kid first because rescuing any children really adds a day multiplier up to 8 times. And this will make your nights go by a lot faster, letting you reach day 99 in less real world time. Automating fuel. You really do have 2 options. You can either get an oil drill or a biofuel processor. Either one works. And both methods remove the need to constantly gather fuel. In terms of food as well, build farm plots as soon as you possibly can. Craft a crock pot as well, and then combine carrots into stew, because stew restores a lot of hunger and takes up its own inventory slot, saving you so much space. Finally, moving on to phase 3, and this is where the difficulty starts to spike a little bit because this is the long haul. This is days 21 through 99. Let's start with combat priorities. Make sure you're using a spear for reliable early game melee. During raids, kill red cultists first since they are the most dangerous as well. And if you do have a ranged weapon, just quickly swap weapons while reloading to instantly refresh your ammo. In terms of base defense, use range shelters or log walls to funnel enemies into choke points. Do not use shelves since cultists can just jump right over them. Smaller controlled defenses are so much easier to manage than large bases. But that is it. That is how you could survive 99 nights in the forest efficiently. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.